Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a helpful kitchen accessory that can make your food preparation smoother. We found this product online and added a link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Cuisinart DLC-005AGTXT1 replacement food processor work bowl and lid. If you own a Cuisinart Custom 14 series food processor, you know how essential the work bowl and lid are for your kitchen tasks. This specific model is designed to fit several versions of the DFP14, including the DFP14BCN and DFP14BCNY, among others. Whether your model is current or discontinued, this replacement part ensures you can keep using your food processor without a hitch. One of the standout features of the DLC-005AGTXT1 is its compatibility with multiple models. This means you don't need to worry about compatibility issues when replacing your worn-out bowl and lid. However, it's important to note that this bundle does not include the pushers, so if you no longer have your old ones, you'll need to purchase those separately. Durability is another key highlight of this product. Made from high-quality materials, the replacement work bowl and lid are built to withstand daily use. This means you can chop, slice, and mix your ingredients without fearing that your bowl will crack or wear down easily. With this robust construction, your food processor can continue to perform at its best, allowing you to tackle any recipe that comes your way. The Tritan Work Bowl cover is also worth mentioning. This innovative design keeps your food and liquids securely contained while you process them, which is a great safety feature to protect both you and the contents of your food processor. No more worrying about spills or messes, just smooth and efficient processing. Replacing your work bowl and lid is a breeze with this product. When your original parts become worn or damaged, you can easily swap them out without needing to buy an entirely new food processor. This not only saves you money but also extends the life of your kitchen appliance, making it a smart investment for anyone who loves to cook. The 14-cup capacity of this bowl is another advantage, especially if you often prepare large batches of food. Whether you're prepping ingredients for a family gathering or batch cooking meals for the week, this generous size allows you to handle larger quantities with ease. This replacement work bowl and lid